Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Hey, we're back to dry weather pattern. Looks like temperatures will ease off through the low 80s this evening, upper 70s at 9 o'clock and down to 73 at 11 p.m. And we expect to see a mostly clear sky, but some of that high-level smoke and haze around, which we were talking about last half hour. 70 degrees tomorrow morning at 8 with 83 at noon and 86 at 5 p.m. And we'll see partly to mostly sunny skies over the Miami Valley. At least we have a chance to dry out this week after all the rain we had last week. And the temperatures this week are going to be running near seasonal norms, and then it looks a little warmer and more humid as we get to late week, and that'll also reintroduce the chance of showers and thunderstorms. This evening, though, dropping off through the 80s, we're heading down into the 60s tomorrow morning, down to the mid 60s for those overnight lows, and then high temperatures tomorrow afternoon should get up to about 86 in Sydney, 85 Urbana and Springfield, around 86 in Troy and Piqua, over toward Greenville and down here in Dayton. So pleasantly warm afternoon, maybe a little more humid though as we get to later in the afternoon. Humidity levels will start to rise ahead of a cold front that drops through Tuesday night and early Wednesday. And behind the front, looks like readings may even back off to highs in the upper 70s on Wednesday in the northern Miami Valley. Still low 80s down south. The front should come through mostly dry. There's a very low chance there could be a spotty shower along that front. We'll see how things look tomorrow as that front gets a little closer to us, but right now looks mostly dry. Troy Stouter Center camera, it's been a quiet afternoon, just some of that haze out there. The fair weather clouds that have been around, even those are starting to thin out now, and it's a clean sweep on live Doppler 2 HD, although there have been some scattered showers out in the eastern part of the Buckeye State, but otherwise mostly sunny skies over Ohio and back out into Indiana, except for that high-level haze. Currently 83 in Dayton with a wind out of the north at 10 miles per hour and with a relative humidity down to 46%. Really no heat index to talk about, matching the air temperature, and the barometer falling a little bit. The temperatures tonight, 84 in Troy, 80 in Xenia, 83 in Springboro, but down to 79 Urbana and Greenville. Low 80s up north toward Wapakoneta and Minster. Your future track forecast map, seeing those clouds thin out tonight, and we'll have mostly clear skies in the overnight hours, and then it looks like partly to mostly sunny skies during the day tomorrow. Wednesday, a few more clouds move in with that front, but as you can see, it's coming through mostly on the dry side. Maybe an isolated shower, but I think most areas are going to be staying dry until about Friday. Mostly clear and mild tonight, down to 65 degrees, wind out of the north, backing off to under 10 miles per hour, and then a partly sunny, warm, and more humid day tomorrow as we climb up to 86, a north-northwest wind at around 5 to 10. 67 at 6 o'clock with 73 at 9, 83 at noon, and then we're up into the mid-80s in the afternoon tomorrow. And on Wednesday, a little bit cooler, just a smidgen cooler, slightly less humid, high 83, 85 on Thursday. Back to the humidity on Friday with showers and thunderstorms developing, and a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm Saturday, 87. Better chance of thunderstorms Sunday, could linger into Monday.